Hello there, this is a review quiz for you to get ready for the final test. Listen to each question carefully, pause them, and take your time to answer. You can find the answer key in the description of this video. Are you ready? Let's start! Question 1. My mother's son is my A. Brother, B. Child, C. Sister. Question 2. My father is my mother's A. Wife, B. Husband, C. Son. Question 3. What's the plural of the following words? A. Person, B. Child, C. Woman. Question 4. What's the opposite of expensive? A. Ship, B. Cheap, C. Chip. Question 5. What's the opposite of short? A. Large, B. Tall, C. Big. Question 6. What do they do? Question 7. Where do they work? Question 8. What does she do at 7 a.m.? Question 9. What does he do at midday? Question 10. What does she do at 4 p.m.? Question 11. What does she do at 9 p.m.? Question 12. What does she do before she goes to bed? Question 13. Can you ask a question for the answer below? For breakfast, I have cereal and milk. Question 14. Can you ask a question for the answer below? No, I don't eat a sandwich for lunch. Question 15. Can you ask a question for the answer below? It's yellow. Question 16. Can you complete the sentence? She's a vegetarian. She doesn't. Question 17. Can you complete the sentence? My children are healthy. They don't. Question 18. How do you say? Question 19. Can you complete this question? Blank. People in your country have eggs for breakfast? A. Are, B. Does, C. Do. Question 20. Can you complete the sentence? Beyonce's father, blank, 66 years old. A. Are, B. Has, C. Is. This quiz is over. Congratulations!